What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we will be doing a casino tour of the Downtown Grand, which is located in downtown Las Vegas, 1 block away from the Fremont Experience. Here is one of the entrances for Downtown Grand. They are known for having $1 blackjack and $5 craps and roulette available here. They are also known for their cheap eats, which we will check out in a second. However, I do want to address that they do have a rooftop pool. So immediately when you walk in, you are greeted by the cafe that has the hot dog and beer deal for $2. But the table games here have hours. They're open Sunday through Thursday from 11 a.m. to 3 a.m. and then Friday and Saturday it's 11 a.m. to 5 a.m. You can see them on the right hand side. And then you can get your hot dog and beer deal here on the left. They open at 11 a.m. and it is cash only. Okay, I'm really scared to film in this casino because it's so tiny. But in the back right here, this is a bar. And then in the back right, you can see that they also have a sports book. And this is as soon as you walk in. As soon as you walk in, you turn to the right, and this is where this is located. This is Freedom Beat, which is one of the restaurants that they offer here. Now, if you have a player's card and you gamble here, you can get a prime rib dinner for $15, and you can earn points on your card. He's gonna walk and then on the other side of this sign over here, I swear every time I'm trying to like film, the tallest people be accidentally getting in the way. And then over here, it also says that they serve brunch Saturdays and Sundays, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And they have live music at 11 a.m. I'm not sure if that's only for their brunch days or if that's every day, but I still think that's neat that they offer that. Here is a quick look at their menu. You can get breakfast anytime. And if you know me, you know I love breakfast at any single time. And they have a mac and cheese bowl where you can like build your own. That has my name written all over it. I love that. They also offer a happy hour every single day, but it's only from the bar. Like you can only order from the bar, and it's 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. and you can get firecracker shrimp, Gouda cheese mac and cheese bites, pulled pork sliders, or a flatbed bread pepperoni pizza. And I think that's really neat. And then like check out the vibe of this restaurant. It's got like such a nice rustic yet like musical vibe to it. I really like it. Okay, this is the bar section to the restaurant I just showed you. They have a late night burgers and fries special, 10 p.m. to closing. So this is a total cheap eats area, and the restaurant has a nice vibe to it. I would definitely recommend coming here. And then they also have certain cocktails and beers available for happy hour too. Here is their registration area. So this is where you go to check into your room. They also have a bar called the Art Bar that is over here as well, and it's like a mini cafe. So they offer like snacks and quick drinks and things like that. This doorway leads right into their showroom, so when they have events and things like that, it'll be right here, which is just down the hallway of the registration. And then these escalators will lead you to their pool and to their grand tower. So I may or may not have forgotten to turn my microphone on while filming this, but I just wanted to show you guys that they also offer electronic tables for craps, blackjack, and roulette. And then this next clip, I will be showing you guys the sports book. Downtown Grand is ran by William Hill, so this is a small William Hill sports book. And the weird thing I thought about this is that there was no food or drinks allowed in here, which for sports books they usually don't care, but William Hill does have a lot of small tedious rules. Hey guys, voiceover Gia is back because my phone was dying, therefore my microphone decided to not work. So here's everything that we have in total. We have 2 electrolyte drinks, nachos, the hot dog and beer are a combo, and then the pretzel. So each electrolyte was $6 each. The hot dog and beer combo is $2, leaving the nachos and the pretzel and cheese at roughly $5 each. Hey guys, it's Editing Gia right here. As you can see, I'm editing right now. I just wanted to put in a side note that me and my mom are very distracted in this next clip during our food review because there was a very sketchy man at the bar and he kept harassing us and not going away. So just a little PSA to always be aware of your surroundings, male, female, however you identify, just stay alert. And if you need help, find someone who can help you, security, a bartender, another stranger that's there, if you're not like at a casino or something, like find help, because this man, literally, we ended up having to leave early and we couldn't even finish the whole video the way that we wanted to because he would not leave us alone. So sorry that we're distracted. We're just being well aware adults. Okay, you guys, so we're eating at Downtown Grand, and they are known for their $2 combo special where you get a hot dog and a beer, a PBR beer for $2. We don't drink, so we just gave our beers to someone else. But we got a beer, a pretzel, and nachos, and then we also got 2 electrolytes, but those were $6. So this, yeah, each. So this can be a cheap eat, but you just have to budget it correctly, especially because like this area doesn't have prices for any of their items except for the $2 combo here. So I think I'm gonna try the $2 hot dog combo first.
And they do have all the condiments on the side over here, but plain Jane likes nothing.
Not only that, but they have like a small bar where you can eat this food. Otherwise, you can't really eat it anywhere else because the slot machines literally have signs that say don't eat here. So if the bar is full, you're kind of SOL.
Yeah. And there's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stools.
That's really good. I like it.
Oh, that's good to know.
It's
The pretzel's huge, by the way.
this pretzel, yeah. So this is the cheese. Hold on. This is the cheese. It's nice and warm. I don't know how to show you this without it like falling out. But you get cheese with the pretzel and then cheese with the nachos, of course. I'm gonna pick this pretzel up and show you. The only downside about this pretzel,
it's as big as your face.
the only downside about this pretzel is like it's rock solid and it's salted.
Like it's hard.
Yeah, like pinch.
Oh,
Yeah. So I don't know how great that'll be
so I'm gonna move on
in
to
terms
nachos.
of my jaw pains, but we ball. Okay, so I'm gonna try and break this over
it's
here.
It's a warmer, like, well.
I mean, it's like the outside is hard, but like the inside is softer, I hope.
I'm gonna beat you. The cheese is good.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's just a hot outside.
So it's a hard outside, but the inside is soft. And the cheese is really good. It's not spicy at all. It's really good. As we go for a second bite.
I usually don't get my pretzel salted, so it's like a weird taste for me, yeah. And then the electrolytes, we got 2 different flavors. She got strawberry kiwi. I'm allergic to kiwi, so I can't have that. But I got, what did I get?
Berry.
Oh yeah, I got their berry blast or their berry punch. But on the thing right there, it says it's grape flavor. Usually when I'm sick and stuff, I'll get like the grape flavor or like the berry blast flavor. And it helps me like stay hydrated and not pass out and stuff. And we've been filming all day, so I think it was really good that I got the electrolyte regardless how much it was.
But this is good. For cheap eat, this is a cheap eat.
I'm gonna try a chip now.
It's good.
Why? I smell it. You see it?
What? You said you smell it?
I said, why did I go to smell it?
Oh.
It was
I'm gonna
just
try
cheese.
this myself.
I'm not a huge fan of nachos, but it is good. Would I eat here again? Yes. Would I buy all of it again? I think I would stick to the electrolyte and the hot dog
We bought all of this
for the video.
for you guys.
Yeah. But I don't know, I would definitely eat here again. But yeah, I would stick to the hot dog and the electrolyte. Also, this area is 21 years old and older. And over.
This is not as bad as I thought it was going to be. She's trying to say 21 and up.
Yeah. The dude carded me immediately. And that's like even to sit here, the casino, like it's all just 21 and up only. You can't like
But you go to
have
the
your kids
restaurant.
here. Yeah, you can go to the restaurant and eat, but like to eat here, you can't like bring your kids. It's just adults only.
And the restaurant does have a happy hour that falls under the cheap eats.
You know what we don't have? Napkins.
Yeah,
I
everything's
didn't grab
over
any.
on the side there with the condiments.
I'm not
I
getting
just
up.
didn't get anything.
I'm not getting up. My
I'm
feet
afraid to
freaking
stop
hurt.
filming because
I know. I'm like trying to prolong this. Literally, okay, first of all, we were trying to film. Okay, here's the thing. We were trying to film this for the longest time. And we asked the dude next to us if we could borrow his beer.
because technically it was ours. We gave him the beer that came with the hot dog.
Right. To show you, like, the $2 combo. But because we don't drink, we just gave it away. And then he started talking to us for, like, ever. And then I was trying to show the food, and there was, like, an older couple next to me over here that would, like, talk over me. And they were talking so loudly that, like, I didn't know if you guys could hear them through the bike or not. So it literally took forever to film this intro.
And the napkin dispenser is empty.
Ah, shit. It's just a grand old time. Okay, how would you rank the food on a scale of 1 to 10?
I didn't taste the hot dog.
Oh,
Hot dog? Probably nachos pretzel.
really?
Because I'd rather have a soft pretzel, and even though it's soft on the inside.
I see. I don't know. It's kind of a toss-up between the pretzel and the nachos, only because I'm not a nacho person, and I don't like salted pretzels. I feel like if the pretzel wasn't salted, it would be hot dog, pretzel, nachos, but because it's salted and it's a hard pretzel, it's hot dog, and then I don't really care what after that. You know what I'm
So, the moral of the story is come for the hot dog.
saying? Yeah. Yeah.
And if you can splurge, get the $6 electrolyte, especially in Vegas heat.
Yeah. I remember one time I got sick and I passed out when I was grocery shopping. After that night, I was like introduced to like electrolytes and things like that. And it's such a lifesaver. Like genuinely, just drink electrolytes and a bunch of water. I think I'm going to dip the hot dog in the...
hot dogs with PBR.
That'll probably be really good. I thought about doing that as well.
Are
Better?
we good?
I was like, I can't complain about this. I'm like,
With or without cheese?
I kind of prefer it without the cheese, but like with the cheese, like it's not too major of a difference. You know what I'm saying? You try it. Like it was good if you like nacho cheese, but like I don't taste a huge difference.
We're gonna have to get another hot dog.
Yeah, I know.
I think we're gonna have to get another hot dog. That's the mic, by the way.
Yeah, it is. Every time she talks, I'm like lean in. Yeah, I think so too.
Maybe
Like-
without.
oh, you did.
I think I prefer it without.
Like the top dog. When you still trying.
And I love cheese.
This was good.
But like it's not bad with the cheese. It's just I feel like it doesn't really bring that much flavor to it.
But I like
you know what
stuff
I'm
on my hot dog. Like I would like some relish or mustard or something.
saying? So I would say hot dog without the cheese, and then hot dog with the cheese, and then nachos, pretzel.
Agreed.
Cool. That is our
All right.
synopsis.
I think that's it for
Thanks for
bar
watching this video.
at- where are we?
Downtown Grand. Okay, so we made it back to the car. That was so crazy. We couldn't finish filming at Downtown Grand because there was like this like guy who wouldn't leave us alone, even though like everyone at that area knew we were trying to record. But I would still go back to Downtown Grand because the bartender, the security, and another bartender were all aware of the situation and took care of it. What I thought was pretty fast and diligently. So, I mean, I would go back just for the customer service, but it sucks that we weren't able to finish the video there. And they did it very discreetly. Me and my mom both gave them a look and was kind of like, okay, this guy is like weirding us out. Like we don't know him. And they took care of it, no problem. And they never left us unattended. Like, because when we were there was one bartender there. He waited until security walked by or like another employee walked by, told them about it, left, got security, and came back. So like there was somebody watching us the whole time. I love the way that they handled it because if you didn't know what was happening, you would have not known like what was happening. Alright you guys, that is all I have for you for today. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have ever stayed at Downtown Grand or eaten here because they are known for their cheap eats, and tell me what your guys' thoughts and experiences were. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Also, if you're still confused as to where Downtown Grand is located, it is across the street from Pizza Rock, across the street from the Mom Museum, and exactly 1 block away from the Fremont Experience. Toodles!